Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study adult health nursing step by step. First, begin by understanding the foundational knowledge of adult health. This involves grasping core concepts and common conditions affecting adults. Next, prioritize your study by focusing on key body systems and their associated pathologies. Finally, integrate active learning strategies to ensure better retention and application of the vast amount of information you will encounter. This structured approach will significantly enhance your learning journey. To master core concepts, dedicate time to reviewing anatomy, physiology, and pathophysiology for each major body system. A strong grasp of these fundamentals is crucial for understanding disease processes. Additionally, focus on pharmacology, understanding drug classifications, mechanisms of action, and nursing implications for common adult health conditions. Utilize your primary textbooks, detailed lecture notes, and reputable online resources to build a comprehensive knowledge base. This foundational work is essential for success. Engage in active learning to solidify your understanding. Create concept maps to visually connect diseases, their treatments, and the corresponding nursing care interventions. This helps organize complex information. Practice with NCLEX-style questions daily. Aim for at least 25 to 50 questions to sharpen your critical thinking and test-taking skills. Furthermore, join study groups to discuss challenging topics and clinical scenarios, gaining diverse perspectives, and reinforcing your knowledge through collaborative learning. Prepare for clinical readiness by actively connecting theoretical knowledge to real-world patient care scenarios. Think about how conditions manifest and how you would intervene. Regularly review challenging topics and identify your personal weak areas, dedicating extra study time to them. Consider simulating clinical situations, perhaps with peers, to practice your assessment and decision-making skills under pressure. Consistent review and application are key to becoming a competent and confident adult health nurse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.